Welcome to AutoFxK, which is basically an automator for Forex Killer. This little program I created basically works by interacting with Forex Killer in order to generate signals. And if the signals that are predicted are profitable, then AutoFxK will place a trade for you through your MT or other MetaTrader platform based on Forex Killer's recommendations. Now, just for your info, Forex Killer is a Forex signal generation software based on neural networks. For those of you who don't have it, this is what the software looks like. Let me just quickly bring that up. It's a standalone program, and for those of you who do have Forex Killer, I'm sure you're quite aware of the fact that it is not an automatic Forex bot or an expert advisor. In fact, there is quite a bit of manual interaction required to work the program. For instance, you gotta go ahead and input quite a bit of data over here, which would basically involve having to enter the last 10 peaks which you would observe from your MetaTrader program. Or you could go ahead and import the data and then load that into Forex Killer, after which you'd have to click Calculate in order to crunch those numbers. And once the signal is generated, then you actually have to switch back to your MetaTrader program in order to place that trade. Now, there's all of this manual interaction can be done away with, and that's where my program comes in. AutoFxK is like a Windows macro that does most of what a human would be required to do with Forex Killer. It's basically meant for people who don't want to have to sit in front of the computer all day long and go insane with staring at all those Forex charts. However, I must make one thing clear. AutoFxK is not an expert advisor or a bot. It's just an automator, and it basically interacts with Forex Killer and your MetaTrader program or platform. Okay, so now that we've got that taken care of, let's go ahead and take a look at the automator itself and how you have to go ahead and set it up. Now, there are quite a few who would have received AutoFxK in a compressed RAR file, and all you need to do is just uncompress that file with WinRAR, which is a free program. And after you do that, you will notice the AutoFxK executable, which will have an icon like this. Okay, and the first time around, you're gonna have to go ahead and double click the program, and of course you will find the AutoFxK icon in your system tray. It will initially take you through a validation process in which you'll be required to type in your email address, and a registration code will be automatically sent to you as an email. All you need to do is just open up your email inbox, copy the activation code, and paste it back into AutoFxK, after which you'll be registered and you'll be all set to go. Okay, so after the registration process, when you go ahead and run the program, you're going to quickly see a small little box that loads up saying that it's unable to open the settings file, which is perfectly fine since it's the first time that you're running the program. But what is definitely important is to set the program up correctly, and in order to do that, you have to get into the settings page. So all you have to do is right click the AutoFxK icon and then get into settings over here, after which this window will open up, and this is where you've got to go ahead and set up AutoFxK.